What is up, y'all? It's your girl Jasmine in real life, and I'm here with another video. So today, honey, we are doing a DIY. I saw this cute ornament tree in Michael's, but it was for $90 and I was never paying that. Like, never. So I grabbed some materials from Michael's to make it myself. Alright, so here are the things that we're going to need for this DIY. I got all of this stuff from Michael's. So this foam looking thing, I don't know what this is called, but here it is. I got this star. It's actually an ornament, but I'm going to cut that part off and make it the star of the tree. And we have ornaments, and we also have some garland. Now this may be too big for this project. I think I'm going to end up having to cut it or trim it, so yeah, we'll see how this goes. Stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so I zoomed in so you can see better. The first thing I'm going to do is glue on the star. So let us pray that stay on there. All right, y'all, so next we're going to move on to the garland. So I'm just going to continue to glue it on until it's wrapped like this. So I'm going to do that and then I'll come back. All right, y'all, so this is what it's looking like so far. I must say that gluing this on was the struggle. I tried many different things. So I think what works better is to actually glue where you want it to lay at on the white piece and then attach the garland to that, because it was just a struggle, y'all. But here it is. So now we can finally go on to the ornaments. I'm gonna put some on here and just to see, I think I actually, matter of fact, no, I'm going to trim some of this off before I add the ornaments. So now for the fun part, I'm going to go in with the ornaments. I'm going to mix up the big ones and the little ones. So I'm going to try putting the glue on the ornament first and then attaching it to the cone. See how that works. Oh, no, let me try take this piece off. I think it's sticking. Now I'm gonna keep going. This is exciting. Taking this silver piece off. So girl, you're not even gonna believe this. It is a whole nother day, okay? I ran out of ornaments, so I had to run to Michael's to go get some more ornaments. It's just been a lot going on. It's just been giving too much. But anyway, I'm gonna go back to gluing the ornaments on this foam because they not about to stop. Yeah, I feel like, I don't know, something just trying to stop my little DIY process, but I'm not even gonna let it happen. So let's get back to gluing. But anyway, y'all, I got the ornaments. They didn't have the same ones in the store. I had to get like more of the gold ones. And then I still had some of these big blue ones left. I found them in my car. So yeah, let's get started back to gluing these ornaments again. So the tree is finally done. I am satisfied with it. I had to go back in with some of the garland, so I would like cut a little piece off and then like glue it in what areas looked like it needed some extra stuff. But yeah, I love this. It's gonna go perfectly in a living room with like the blue decor. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I have some more Vlogmas videos coming up. I know I've been slipping, honey, but yo, this is hard, okay? I was not prepared for this. This is just a lot, okay? But anyway, I hope you guys try this tree. I was never paying $90, and plus, it means a lot much more to me now knowing that I made this and it's gonna be part of our Christmas decorations. But yeah, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Bye.